Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Extended Collection List section. The Extended Collection List is an enhanced version of the standard collection list. It lets you display more collections with a flexible layout, improved styling, and advanced design options. You can highlight featured collections, organize your product offerings, and create a smooth browsing experience for your customers. All right, let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Extended Collection List section, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Template, then select Extended Collection List section. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Template, Extended Collection List. Here, you can customize all the settings. You can add section. Just click on Add Section and search Extended Collection List, and you can see Extended Collection List. Click to add it, and from there, you can customize all the available settings. Show on. Choose where the Extended Collection List section appears on your store. Desktop only. Display only on desktop screens. Mobile only. Display only on mobile devices. Both. Visible across all devices. Container size. Select how wide the parallax image section should appear. Default. Keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full. Expands the image to full width, removing left and right spacing for a wider visual effect. Image ratio. Choose how your collection images are displayed. Adapt to image. Displays the image in its original proportions without cropping. Portrait. Crops the image into a tall, vertical shape for a clean and modern layout. Square. Crops the image into a perfect square, ideal for uniform and grid-style displays. Number of columns, desktop. Select how many columns appear on desktop view. Enable View All button. Enable to show a View All button when there are more collections than displayed. Disable to hide the button. Number of columns, mobile. Choose how many columns appear on smaller screens. Show inside box. Enable to display content inside a styled box. Disable to remove the box layout. Box alignment. This setting controls which part of the inside box remains visible when the image is cropped. You can choose from top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. Show collection title. Enable or disable collection titles. Show product count. Enable to display product count below the title. Disable to hide it. Enable animation on hover. Add hover animation for a more dynamic interaction. Show button. Enable to display a button for each collection. Disable to hide the button. Button style. Choose the visual appearance of your button. Link. Displays text as a clickable link without a button background. Default. Uses your theme's standard button design. Solid. Applies a filled background for a bold, attention-grabbing look. Outline. Displays a bordered button with a transparent background for a minimal design. Button size. Adjust the button's overall size for proper layout balance. Inherit. Uses your theme's default button size. Small. Creates a compact button. Medium. Provides moderate size for balance. Regular. Sets a full, standard-sized button. Content spacing. Adjust the spacing between content elements. Title size. Adjusts the heading size for your title to control how prominent it appears. You can choose from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Opacity. You can also adjust how transparent your extended collection list appears. Example, 100% means it's fully solid, while lowering the value makes it more subtle. Enable slider. Choose where the collection slider should appear on your store. Both. The slider appears across all devices. Desktop only. Shows the slider only on larger screens. Mobile only. displays the slider exclusively on mobile devices. None disables the slider completely and shows collections in a static layout. Enable autoplay. Enable to automatically scroll through collections. Autoplay speed. Set the speed of the product slider. Loop. Enable loop to make the slider cycle continuously. When it reaches the last slide, it automatically returns to the first. Show dots. Enable show dots to display navigation dots on the slider. Disable this option to hide them. Show arrows. Enable show arrows to display navigation arrows on the slider. Disable this option to hide them. Arrow color. Select Inherit to use your theme's default color scheme, or Custom to choose your own. Custom arrow color. Set your preferred arrow color. Custom arrow background color. Select a background color for the arrows. Arrow position. This setting controls where the slider navigation arrows appear around your recently viewed product slider. Middle. Highlight the arrows placed at the center left and center right of the slider. Bottom. Arrows appear exactly in the middle of the slider, vertically centered. Color schemes. Match the section to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. Top padding. Adjust space above block content. You can choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large. Custom. Allows you to manually set your preferred padding value. Custom top padding. Set exact top spacing. Examp. 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. Bottom padding. Adjusts the space below the block content. You can choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large. Custom. Lets you set a custom padding value manually. Custom bottom padding. Set exact bottom spacing. Examp. 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. You can freely add blocks like caption, description, double button, icon, icon with text, image, single button, subtitle, title, and more. Here we have collection settings. Let's check it out. Collection. Click Select Collection and choose the one you'd like to display. This will pull the collection's products directly into the tab. Collection image alignment. Next, you can set the collection image alignment. You can choose from top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. Collection title. You can customize the collection title to any text you prefer. Example, dresses. Collection image. You can upload a custom image to represent the tab visually. Just click Select Image and upload or choose one from your library. And that's it. Your extended collection list section is now fully set up. By customizing this feature, you'll create a cleaner layout, highlight key collections, and make browsing your store more engaging for your customers. If you ever need help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always here to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.